It's 11:10. Just been a bit of a chilled out night really. I've done the vlog. That's live. That was up for 8 PM. Just. Maybe a couple of minutes after. It was uploaded, it was just processing, so that's that done. I do need to get onto the car boot sale video and go through the stuff that I bought today at the car boot. We'll do a bit of that. And we'll put it in this vlog, which should be out on Wednesday, Thursday. I won't be long out of bed. So I'll see you in the morning. Monday morning, 11:45. 3 parcels to pack. I've got 2 on the normal page and 1 on the parts page. So just switching the computer on. We'll get the invoices printed off and I'll show you what I'm sending out today. So these are what we're sending out. We're sending out obviously that for the parts page, £4.99 plus £3 postage, so £8. It's probably going to be £3.55 to send it out with Royal Mail 48 hour. So make £4 something after fees, maybe £3 something. I've made a loss on it, but I've got a little bit of money back and a tiny bit more space. Pack of switches. I got these in the mystery box from Trade Outlet. I got £2.50 for it. Again, I think I've lost, but at least I've got some money back. After postage, I'm probably going to make 25p, and I think they cost like 40p technically. So yeah, it is what it is, but they're going out. And a coin, challenge coin. Canadian Royal Canadian Mounted Police. It was a challenge coin made by them, GuthrieWoods.com. I did message them and they said we can confirm that we made the coin, or we made the coins, but it was a specific order for the RCMP, Royal Canadian Mounted Police. So by the sound of it, they weren't sold on the maker's website, they were sold by RCMP themselves, or they were given away. That I can't confirm, but it was one of those two. So I got £12.50 for that. So after fees and stuff, and obviously the 30%, I'm guessing it's going to be about £5 something going to mum. Which again, it's not really a coin that you can spend, it's not worth much, it's not gold or anything like that. It's just a cool challenge coin that you don't normally see. Gonna get these packed up and sent out, and we'll carry on the day from there. That's 3 parcels done. This one is the faulty one that's going out, parts only, and as you can see, I still pack it as if it's a perfectly good item. Loads of bubble wrap in it, because you don't want it to break any more than it already has. I've got the other 2 things over there on the scales, only small parcels, so they're going Royal Mail, that's going Everett, and I'm going now. Well, I'm back out into the shed, and I'm going to take some pictures of this, which is a Cry-Cut hat press, or Cry-Cut. It's brand new. I bought it from Simon Charles. I think it was like summer 2004. It was like summer 2024. It's never been opened. I'm going to open it now though to take pictures. But yeah, sold online are going between £40 and I saw one at 100 that it actually went for. So I'm going to go smack bang in the middle and do about 65 with offers. But yeah, if you want to print your own hat designs, then this is the machine to do it with. That's how you use it. I've been meaning to list it for a while. I mean, at first when I bought it, there was a couple of people that I knew who I asked them if they wanted it and they said no. So I was like, oh, fair enough, I'll just put it online. But I never got round to it. It was just stored in the living room. So yeah, now I'm going to open it up. I'm going to clean the box a bit, open it up, and we'll get some pictures done for it and get it listed, I think. So everything on this table is what I picked up on Sunday. Majority of them are computer games. And a little bit of tech there, more computer games, old cars, and some old software. Yeah, so we'll quickly go through these, and you can see pretty much what I got. So these were all the games and software that I got yesterday. Overall there's 48 PC games, 2 Xbox 360 games, 2 Wii games, and some Windows software. That says 95 there, Windows NT 95. So yeah, can't remember how much I paid. I know one of the stalls I bought 2 games for £4. Another stall I paid £15 for 12 games and a couple of bits, which wasn't too bad. And then that same stall I bought I bought 16 games I think, and a few bits for £15. Then the same stall I bought 12 games for £5. Another stall I bought games for 10p each. That was these ones there, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that was 40p. Yeah. And then a couple of stalls I bought 2 games here for £1 each, and then them 2 I bought for £1.50 for the 2. So spent about £25–30. I think the games work out less than £1 each, so I'm happy with that. And there's quite a few games here that are in like a sequence or close to a sequence. I bought these from one stall, Far Cry 2, 3 and 4, and he was missing 1, and then on another stall I found number 1. So yeah, I don't think I've done too bad there. Lemmings. Yeah. And that was just the games that I bought. I've actually got quite a bit more stuff that I forgot about, so we'll go through that one next. So here we have 17 cars, all different styles. Bolton one there, Eddie Stobart one, 2 RNLI ones, Leukemia Research Fund, WH Smith Group, and then we've got these 7 Olympic ones, and then the Royal British Legion. So they cost £1 each, the 17 there altogether. I'm happy with them. £1 each, like I said, they don't go for much, but if you've got a few in a set, then you might be able to just bulk them together, 1 postage cost, 1 set of fees, and we're laughing, I hope. So we got this. I've only just noticed it's only 10 to 100 megabits a second, so that's not worth much at all really. Here's an old one. Whoops, but it only cost me £1. It is solid, no rattles in it. There's no power cable, which you need 7.5 volt at 1 amp, which I couldn't find. Got a HP PS2 mouse. When I say PS2, it's that connector there, the older style between USB and serial port. So they cost me £1 each. I don't think it was too bad. I will try that when I find a mains cable, but I won't get as much as what I thought I would. I didn't see that at the time, I just saw it and thought, oh yeah, we'll go for that. An old dusty Unicom radio, paid £3 for it. I thought I'll give it a shot, I suppose. Unicom electronic clock radio, DC 9V battery backup for clock. Well, I'll walk it out in a moment. In fact, I'll walk right now. Someone's got one on for £12.7p with 338 delivery, but there's no solds. I'll test it, I'll clean it up, do a bit of research on it, we'll see what we can get for it. Next couple of things. Loitron AM FM jukebox radio, authentic 1950s style jukebox radio. Paid £1 for it, I think, maybe a little bit less. We'll double check it right now because it says it's got space for 4 AA batteries, and I hope they've not been put in and left. But yeah, I've had Loitron before. Bit different than the usual sort of radio, so I thought, why not try it? And we've got a Lowry speaker here, portable speaker. You can put batteries in and power. Let's see, I'll look at that in a sec. Paid £1 for that, I think, from the same stall, from Zoe and Megan. I think it was less than £1 though, because I'd picked up a few bits and they just said £2, so it's probably 50p each. Don't mind that, as long as it's working, but that's what chance you take on a car boot. If it's not working, then no hard feelings, isn't it? I took a chance, it's not paid off. So let's just check the battery compartment for this. It is an iPod dock as well, so if I do that there, pull that out, it's an iPod dock, and there's your power and your volume. So yeah, looks alright, doesn't look too dinged up. If it works, then it's a nice little speaker. So this speaker, the battery compartment looks great. It looks like there would have been a remote control, but that's not with this. It's not too bad. You can still do everything with your iPod. The battery compartment looks great, so I just need to test that. And then that's the Loitron jukebox style radio, AM FM. It's never been used, so yeah, I'm confident they're going to work, to be fair. So we'll pack these back up, and I've just got a few more bits, nothing much now, we're pretty much near the end, so be back inside and we'll do some listings, I think, enhance some pictures. But yeah, happy with them. Thanks Zoe and Megan. I'm going to say thank you now, even though I've not tested them, because like I said, I'm quite confident that they're going to be fine. So next we've got a couple of pairs of headphones. They're for Samsung. They're just Philips 3.5mm plug headphones. Zoe and Megan. I think they were 50p each. Power cable, 50p. This cable, 50p. Or £1. I think it might have been £1. £1. DVI cable, got that for 50p. USB-B cable. Still collecting them for those keyboards that I've got in the house, the music keyboards. And just a mini USB 5V cable. I think that was £1 or 50p. So that's everything there. I'm going to say under £60, something like that. And I've got all that stuff. Some of these games I reckon are worth a little bit, especially in a collection. But yeah, I'm happy overall with what what I got. I do want to see what that's worth though. The micro graphics suit all in one. And a few other bits really, let's see what they're worth. But I'm not gonna list any of these yet. I'm still gonna concentrate on parts only when I come round to it. But I've taken some pictures today of some of the Karcher stuff and jet wash stuff. Just parts only. They're gonna go on Facebook and eBay. So you're gonna see me inside now. So I've not got any more pictures done today. Yeah, I didn't go back into the shed, so I've not taken anything of parts page. I've not enhanced any pictures, and I've not done any more listings. So I've not done much since I last spoke to you. I came in, had a nap. I think it was about an hour. Had something to eat. I've been on the PC for a bit, playing Dirt Rally. And now I'm just going to watch a little bit of YouTube and then probably go to bed. Not the most productive afternoon, but tomorrow get straight on to taking pictures of parts, do shopping, because it is shopping day tomorrow, and then get some listings done. It needs to be done. Good morning everyone. It's Tuesday, it's shopping day, and that's where we're off to now. Go to Tesco and Lidl, get our usual stuff, come back, take some pictures, and then for the rest of the night, enhance and upload. That's what I've got on for today. I'll keep you updated as I go along, and we'll get a good chunk of it done today, I reckon. It's about 11:45, so it's still morning. I know, crazy. Take us about an hour and a half to do shopping, so won't be too long out there. And yeah, let's try and get some listings done. Let's get started, I think, with more parts. I've got that bag to go through there, which I'll probably do now. I've bagged up all the games that I've bought and a few bits there, and that's another bag there, so I've got to sort through them really when I come after I've done the parts page stuff. I've got another bag there that's parts only. I think there's a lot of earbuds in there, but I'm going to concentrate on this one for now. Try and get them listed for today. I'll just take the pictures on here, on this phone, upload them to eBay, and then do the write out on the tablet. So yeah, going to be in here for a little while today. I've put the heater on a bit because it was about 14 degrees when we got in here. It's now up to 19, so that's a lot more nicer. So yeah, let's get to it, I think, and we'll start picturing parts and look at getting them on eBay. It's 4:30. I've got quite a few more photographed there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was already in there, and that was already in there, so there's 8 actually. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, and that's the 9th one. Yep, some Razer headphones. The only thing is the headband has started to come away. Well, they started, it's halfway off. They still work though, they're just charging at the moment. Go inside and list them. So yeah, I've just got a film on YouTube. It's called Batteries Not Included. It is an old film. It must be about 10-15 years since I've seen it, and it came out in the 70s, 80s sort of thing, so it is a really old film, but it's a good one. So I've got that on while I'm taking pictures in the background. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at the moment. Yeah, 4:30. Probably be out here for another hour, maybe hour and a half. 6 o'clock, come back in. I would say I'm not going to buy anything, even though I just said it. But I would say I'm not going to buy anything because I've got way too much stuff, which I keep saying it. So I'm going to stick to it, even though Wednesday we might be going out to a car boot sale. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Weather looks pretty good for Wednesday, and it's going to be the first one at Haydock Park, so Haydock Racecourse. So yeah, see what it's like, see how organised it is, and if it's worth doing one there. But we're going to visit on Wednesday. So I've got to get some stuff cleared. Good morning. It's Wednesday. It's gaming night tonight. But today we are going to a car boot. We're going to Haydock Race Park, which is where Bolton has moved to on a Wednesday. So on a Sunday it's still at Bolton at the stadium. But instead of having the Wednesday car boot there at the stadium, it has now been moved to Haydock. So it starts at about 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning, and it's 20 to 9 right now. I've got some packaging to pick up first. We'll see if we can take that along with us, because it's not that heavy, and go up to Haydock. And then come back, see what I've bought, and we'll go from there. And when I come back, that's when I'll end the vlog. So you'll get a bit of a car boot sale video at the end, a couple of clips. I still need to edit the one from Sunday. I might actually amalgamate them both together and make a very long video from Sunday and today, so we'll see. I've not worked it out yet. I just thought we're going. So last night I got some listings done. I got about 5 listings or something like that done. No, 4 listings I got done. Plenty more to do. That was for the parts page though, so yeah, got some more parts on there. And yeah, we'll just see how today goes, I suppose. I think next time you see me, I'll be out and about. So I'll see you out there. Well, we've made it. It's busy, but we should be able to find something. It's got 20 to 11. It's very windy, so I don't know what the footage is going to come out like, but can only try it. There's no wind noise. Alright, I'll try and do a voiceover if I can.
Any charge you want, mate, it's all a quid.
No worries, nice one. Would you do 8 with them?
All the time before Monday when money felt like.
I've got 10 there.
Yeah, okay.
Would you do 8, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that was eventful. We're back in car. We didn't go around the whole thing because they started packing up again. So it just shows if you come here for like 10:30, you're not going to get around it all. So yeah, now we're just in traffic. We're still on the car park of the car boot, but because everyone's leaving at a similar time, we've all just got caught up. Plus on the main road, when we came in, there was roadworks, so that's not helping the situation at all. So yeah, we've got a trolley full, so we did quite a bit, or we bought quite a bit. So yeah, we're on the way home now, soon, and maybe get some dinner, and then gaming night. So can't forget gaming night. So yeah, I'll see you back at home. Just got back in now. We left about, well, we got in the car to come home at about 1 o'clock. And it's 2:15 now. So, majority of that though was waiting in traffic to get out of the racetrack. So yeah, we got a trolley full. That's all I can say at the moment. I don't know what we've got. Yeah, so we'll see. Probably go through that tomorrow. But for now, I need to concentrate on getting this vlog sorted, getting the car boot sale vlog from Sunday sorted, and then worry about the Wednesday car boot sale video. So yeah, right, let's just sit down for a minute, chill out. So I've had a bit of a break. That was the last clip. I forgot to end the vlog, and I'm just in the middle of editing it now. So let me quickly end the vlog. Then I can get it rendered and I can get it uploaded for tonight while I'm gaming with Jack and Ben. So thank you for watching, everyone. It is greatly appreciated that you keep coming back to watch my videos. If you want, you can comment, share, like, and maybe subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, and as soon as I get to that, I'm going to do a giveaway of a dual monitor stand that clamps onto a desktop. So it would be greatly appreciated if you did subscribe to help me get to the 500 mark. It's less than 200 to go. I'm at 303 at the moment. So it's like 197 to go, and then I'm at 500. So it would be appreciated if you could. If you want to subscribe, that is. Don't feel that you have to. But it would just be nice to get to that mark. If you're interested in what I have to sell on my eBay store, then I'll put the link in the description down below for you. I also have an eBay parts page, which is separate to the store, and that's for items that are considered parts or stuff that can be salvaged from it because they're not working properly or just not working at all. I don't like throwing stuff away, so if there's any parts there that you're interested in, have a look at that store. Link will be in the description down below for you. And really, all I can say to that is thank you for watching, everyone. And to the next video, which will be a car boot sale video, Sunday and Wednesday. Do you want it together, or do you want it separate as its own video? Let us know in the comments below. To the next video.